Thank you. There we go. Always exciting. Like I said, I'll go through this once without the light and once with it. Just gotta take your time.
Welcome! Are you a visitor?
Sure.
Are you here to see somebody?
Possibly.
You got family here?
You never know.
They're all crazy. They bite, they scratch, they poke, and they prod.
Oh, they do, actually.
Where are you going?
Look at this.
I want to go! I need my medicine! No!
She definitely needs her medicine. Whoa. Spooky. That is really loud. This is cool, guys. This is cool. That is very loud, guys. Like we're in the kitchen. Oh, look at that pie. There's a face in it. That is a cool touch. I love this. Whoa. The guy can't breathe.
You're sausage!
Oh, we're in the office now. All the cool stuff to look at. Whoa, that guy's not very good in shape. Whoa. Here's the keys for the asylum. Spooky. You have multiple ways to go. I'll take the green one. I like green. Whoa.
Help! They got my sister!
I bet.
You have to get me out of here! Help me, you have to get me out of here!
I'll get you some help. It's cool. Ooh, let's see what's over here.
What did you do to me?
That's cool. They have like different paths to go to in here. That's awesome. Like some different choices. I bet you that's where I would have came. Okay, cool. Awesome.
Where do you think you're going?
Ooh.
Get out of here! The doctor's gonna find you!
Yeah, so it's like a slightly different path you could take. From what it looks like to me, that's great. Uh-oh. Something bad happened here. Someone's having some really bad medical issues. Where I think this is supposed to be like the morgue. Blood bags, medical equipment. This is cool. Little frog, better get out of here. Yeah. This is great.
Get out of my house! No!
This is cool, guys. I'm enjoying this already. Oh. You could go, yeah, I'm going through here, I guess. Like we're in the chapel. Like, it looks like a chapel to me almost. Yeah, it is.
Take me with you. Wait, don't go.
Yep. I remember this from last time. Going through these two balloon things. Seems longer this time. Ooh. Alright, cool. That was great, guys. Sorry it's blurring a little bit. Sometimes it does that. Get to the more light. That was great. Come on. Alright, now the experience without a light. This is gonna be cool.
Good evening!
Hi again.
Oh, it's you again.
It's
This is not see who you came to see?
Not yet. Here to see him again.
Oh my gosh. This room. Room 14.
I'll
That'll
look
be
for
who
it.
you're looking for.
I hope so.
He bites a little bit.
I'll see you.
It's time for my medicine!
He's still looking for a medicine. Definitely, you gotta walk through these things a little bit more slower when you don't have a light. Oh, spooky. The laundry room. Whoa. Bathroom again. Funeral. Luckily, I don't have to go right now. Back in the kitchen. There's Mr. Face Pie. This is cool. There's the asylum keys. We'll go through the green one first again.
They got my sister. You guys need the help. I've been in here for 2 weeks. You need the help. They got my sister. Get me out of here!
My face? Do you think I'm pretty? Get out! Get out!
She's eager for me to leave.
Did you bring the key? Did you bring the key? I need the key!
He needs the key, guys. This is great. Uh-oh, here's the doctor's office again. In the morgue. Something bad happened here, like I said. Blood bags hanging from the ceiling. medical equipment, the morgue drawers. Sure. This is cool, guys.
Out of the greenhouse! The vines!
Gotta go to the balloons again. This is definitely unique. I've never seen another haunt have you go through this. You can't see right now. Basically, it's like these big balloons of air. You gotta force your way through to get out of here. Alright. That's great. Really cool. Now we're gonna go do the other one now again. That's awesome.